morning children, welcome to English class. We have already read this lesson Lalu and Pilu in the live class, but today I am again reading for you. If you don't understand, then see this video and do practice of reading also. Let's get started. There was a hen. See in this picture, there was a fat hen. See, big fat hen. Hai? She had 2 chicks. These are the baby hens. Baby hens are called chicks. She had 2 chicks, Lalu and Pilu. Why they were called Lalu and Pilu? Because they had their color red and yellow. So red color chick name was Lalu and yellow color chick name was Pilu. Lalu was red. He loved red things. All the things he used to love of red color. And Pilu was yellow, so he loved yellow things. He used to like only yellow things. Lalu used to love and like red things. Pilu used to love and like yellow things. One day, Lalu saw something on a plant. He was roaming around and he saw something on a plant. Who saw? Lalu saw. It was red. That thing which he saw on the plant was red. He ate it up. Means he had eaten that thing. Without knowing, without understanding, without checking, he ate that thing which was on the plant. Do you do the same thing? No, you shouldn't. Whenever you have something to eat, first you check what that thing is. Whether it is good for health or not. It is eatable or not. First you check properly and then you eat. But what Lalu did, he did not check. He did not inquired about that thing, whether he should eat it or not eat it. He ate that thing. Oh no, when he ate, he said, oh no, it was a red chili. My God, it was very hot. Chilies are always hot. So hot means here, when you eat very strong thing, very like chili sort thing, your mouth become hot. Means inside the mouth you feel very much irritation because of the hotness. Chili is called mirchi, and when we have mirchi, what sensation, what kind of feeling we have? We have very hot feeling when we eat chili. So Lalu's mouth start burning. Oh my God. After eating the chili, Lalu's mouth start burning. Where is Lalu? Lalu is here. Yeah, see, his mouth started burning. Burning means feeling hot, very hot. He felt very hot after eating the chili. He screamed. When he felt hot, he screamed. Screamed means he shouted very loudly. He cried or shouted very loudly. When you eat something very hot, what do? You scream for water. You shout for water. Oh, please give me water. Please give me water. My mouth is burning. I am feeling hot. So, same thing. He cried. When he cried, Mother Hen came running. When Mother Hen listened his cry, she came running. Pilu came too. When Pilu heard his voice, Pilu came too. Pilu said, I will get something for you. When he saw Lalu crying and shouting, he saw Lalu very upset. He said to Lalu, I am going to get something for you. Pilu then brought a yellow laddu for Lalu. Yellow laddu was very sweet in taste, so he brought it because when he knew it that when he will give to Lalu this, Lalu feel sweetness in his mouth after eating it, and that burning sensation will stop. So Pilu brought a yellow laddu for Lalu, and what happened? Lalu gobbled up the laddu. He was feeling very hot. He did not chew the laddu. He did not take it small bite of laddu, and he did not enjoy the laddu, eating laddu. When you eat something sweet, what do? You take a little bite, and that sweetness come in your mouth. You enjoy, you relish, the taste of that sweetness. But Lalu didn't do that. Lalu gobbled up the laddu, means without chewing the entire laddu, he ate it without chewing it. He swallowed the laddu. Gulp. He did gulp, and it went into the tummy. He just put it in his mouth, and that laddu, the complete laddu, went into the tummy of Lalu. His mouth stopped burning. Why stopped burning? Because it was very sweet. Laddu was sweet, and that burning problem, burning sensation, that hot feeling stopped. Mother hen and Lalu kissed Pilu. They loved Pilu, and they kissed Pilu. Okay, this is a very nice story, isn't it? New words are chicks. These new words you have read in the lesson. Chicks, baby hen. Hen is an animal which gives eggs to us. Hot. Hot means warm, very hot, very warm. Plant, a baby. Tree is a plant. Yellow is a color. Okay. And one more word you have learnt: burning, screamed. These are words new words you have learnt. Screamed and burning. Burning means feeling hot, very hot. Screamed means to shout very loudly or cry very loudly. Okay. So these are the new words you have read in the lesson. Children, read the lesson nicely once, twice, thrice, as many times as you can, and learn the spellings, learn the meaning of the difficult words. We will meet in the next class. Okay, bye.